Wonderfully Made. I know it has been a while since I made a video. I was actually really nervous, really nervous to make a video because it's been so long. I just want to give you an update. I did stop crafting for a couple of months in 2020. I was pregnant and I was just like, I didn't do any crafts. But I am back. I am actually 4 weeks and a couple of days postpartum. I had my baby a little over a month ago. I had a little girl, and if you remember, if you've watched any of my previous videos, you see I have another daughter and a son. So now I have two girls and a son. But I am back, and I plan on making weekly videos. If you don't know me, again, I am April Jackson, beautifully and wonderfully made. But I am April Jackson, beautiful and wonderfully made. I make Cricut craft videos, all different kind of craft videos. I am not a Cricut affiliate. I don't call myself an expert. I teach you how to use the Cricut machine based off what I know about the Cricut machine. So it is a beginner-friendly channel. So if you have any kind of questions, feel free to ask your questions in the comments, and I will make a video for you if I know how to do it. Like I said, I'm not saying that I'm an expert. I just teach you things how I know how to do it. So today I am doing an unboxing video. Yeah. Let's go. Alrighty, so I'm excited. You'll see my stuff is sitting on the floor, and it's because we actually right before I had my baby, we just moved into our new house. So there's nothing in my craft room right now. No kind of stands or anything. Oh, I need suggestions as well, like some good stands to put my machines on. What do you all suggest? Comment below for me. But anyway, look what we have here. We have butcher paper. We have Aesop paper. As you can see. You see. And we have ink. Sublimation ink, and I got it from Cosmos Ink. From what I hear, Cosmos Ink is the best ink to get, and I hear Crafting Besties sublimation paper is the best paper to get, but they were sold out once, so I had to get Aesop. But so I'm pretty sure you can guess by now what we are unboxing today. I'm super excited. Yeah, I ordered this 3 months ago. And I've just been nervous too. I've been nervous to actually open it. But here we are. Here we are. Y'all look what I have. Look what I have. Do y'all see this beauty? Oh, I have my Epson sublimation printer. And there it is, my sublimation printer. I am so excited. Anybody who knows me personally know I have wanted a sublimation printer for so long. But like I said, I was nervous. You know what? We have got to stop down ourselves, especially me, because I doubt myself a lot. Do you doubt yourself a lot? Because I doubt myself a lot. And I was just like, I probably won't know how to do the sublimation. I'm probably not gonna do it right. So finally, I just said, you know what? Let me get this printer. And I got that printer, and I let it sit there for 3 months before I opened it. I let it sit there 3 months before I opened it. But today, I got my courage because of you. Because I said, you know what? I got to make my videos. They're depending on me. My subscribers are depending on me. And I already slept on myself for so long. And I've in the comments of my other videos, like I have viral videos, and I haven't posted a new video in months. And I have people in the comments asking me, can you make this kind of video, that kind of video? And I just been sleeping on myself. And anyway, I'm super excited. I have a sublimation printer. Do you all think that I should do a video of me converting I have to convert it to sublimation. I have the EcoTank 2720. I have to convert it to sublimation. Do you all think I should do a video converting it to sublimation? If you think so, drop in the comments. Convert that printer. Sorry, my camera went dead. But thank you for watching my unboxing video. So I'll be having some sublimation tutorials coming soon, hopefully. But please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. Also, I have a group on Facebook, Crafting with April. Feel free to join that group. Post your crafts in there. If you have any questions, post your questions. Again, this is a beginner-friendly channel. That's a beginner-friendly group. Ask any questions that you have. Again, thank you for watching my video. See you guys next time. Have an awesome, blessed day.